Hello everybody, and welcome back to another video from Planet Random. Today I want to talk about this gimbal bag from Zhiyun. I just got this from Amazon for around 80 bucks. They had a different price for 99 bucks, but I chose this one. This was a cheaper one on the Amazon for $79.99 plus tax and free shipping and all the stuff. I just got it. I just got it exactly like this in the Amazon box. So it came with this excuse me, and this nylon cover. As you guys see, this is the original one, so it's not a fake one, and it came exactly directly from Zhiyun. The build quality so far, I like it. It's a solid build, and exactly as they advertise. Excuse me. So, as you guys know, you open up the bag from the back. Not the other, like the other bags, you open up from the front. You open up this one from the back, and as soon as you open it, you notice here is an extra cushion. So this extra cushion, to give you more room, you can put two laptops, notebooks, anything you want to. Plus it comes with this strap, goes over your belt, so you can secure the bag to your waist, and nice and cushioning in really good quality. Also comes with this extra straps. I gotta figure out later what's going on. What is this for? The only thing I'm a little bit confused is the picture with the small bags are completely different with what I got. So these are really nice, firm, really soft, and you can put your lens, everything really soft and durable. It's good quality. But the one on pictures, even on the Zoom website, showing on different bags, but this I got is complete different bags. But it's still, as you guys see here, mark zonetech.com. So it came with this small bags. You can put your extra stuff in, more extra straps. I believe this is to secure your lens, your camera, your drone, and everything else. The bag itself really soft, really firm, strong, and these are adjustable. And as you guys see here, we got extra, I guess, say pads to adjust. I guess there you go. This is a strap. Adjust whatever you want to do and how you want to do it. It depends to your, again, lens and cameras and all this stuff. Later on I gotta there you go, work on it and adjust it for my cameras, lens, and all the stuff I have. Here also they give you more pocket. And the sides also, you have one pocket here and one pocket here. So altogether you have 3 pockets inside with the zipper. As I said, the quality, I really like it, because this is a shockproof. It should be shockproof, it should be waterproof, and as in my point of view, it does all the stuff. And the material inside, it makes it to not get cold. It's kind of insulation, so if you leave the stuff, you know, outside door, you're going to shooting, you know, sky or nature, and outside if it's cold and moisture. Here, this cushion help you to protect your equipment from getting, you know, watery or moist come to them, or get cold, you die, the battery dies. So that's gonna help you too. And also you have 3 cushions here to support your bag. In the front you have one pocket here, the second pocket here also, and you have all this so you can connect anything you want to. Altogether, I would give them 5 out of 5. Yes, nice quality. And I have a big hands, if you see, so like it's not that big and it's not that small also. Oh, here also you have Velcro. If you have anything with the Velcro, you can stick it here. And as I said, everything here removable, and you can take everything out and put it back again exactly like you want it to. Alright, thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, concern, please don't be hesitant, and as always, subscribe and like the video. Thank you so much for watching.